Hey, what is going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 3 really awesome and useful apps that you must have on your iPhone. The first app we are talking about is called PDF Element. It's free and it's a really powerful PDF manager. So you can go ahead and just take a picture of your documents and put them as a PDF file on your iPhone. You can annotate them, sign them, edit them, and then you can even transfer them to your PC, or you can transfer PDF files from your PC to your iPhone. It's very easy. So all you have to do to get a PDF file into PDF Element is just tap this plus button right here. So you have 2 options. You can take a picture using your camera, or you can go to the Wi-Fi right here. It will show you an IP address. You go ahead, open your browser on your PC, add this IP address, and then you can go ahead and easily transfer PDF files to your iPhone. Or you can take a picture of your document, just tap the camera right there and take a picture just like this. So once you take a picture of that document, you can go ahead and apply different filters right here, or you can go ahead and manually crop it. You can see it will automatically crop it for you, but if you don't like that, if you want to adjust something, you can also do that manually. And then click here and click save, and now of course it will save that PDF file and you can rename it to anything you want. If you open the PDF file, then you will have this button right there, which adds a bunch of tools. Like you can write something right here, or if you want to add, like, go ahead and add a stamp right here, so you can see different stuff here. Just go ahead and add it and it will put it on the document. Of course, you can change the colors of this stuff and change them to any way you like. And then you have here the signature, so you can go ahead and here add your signature and then just go ahead and apply to any document that you want. It's easy as that. So it's pretty awesome. A bunch of tools, as I said, on PDF Element, a bunch of tools to go ahead, edit your PDF files, transfer them and save them, and have an awesome experience managing PDF files on your device. The next app is just amazing. It will translate anything you speak. So you speak something, it will speak that in a different language. So it's pretty awesome. If you swipe right here, you can change the different languages. You can see here, it has quite a few languages here that it supports. So here, if I just go ahead, go back here, just tap and hold, I will speak something in English. It will translate that into Spanish. So, hi, how are you? You can see, as easy as that, it will translate anything you want. And the best thing is that this app is free. Of course, you will find it linked right down below in the description of the video. And the third app for this video is called Quickie. This is pretty awesome. So you 3D touch on the icon of this app and it will show you 4 more apps that you can open directly from here. So if I tap the music, you can see it will open the music app as easy as that. So basically, this is like a second dock, or if you put this on the dock, then you will have 3 icons, and this with 4 apps, you can basically have 7 icons on the dock of your device. So you just open the app and just choose up to 4 apps that you want to have on the 3D touch menu of this app, and from anywhere on your device, you just tap like this, 3D touch on it, and you can go ahead and open any of these apps directly from here, as easy as that. So that is it for this video, guys. 3 really awesome and very useful apps that you can download right now from the App Store, and they are free. Go ahead and check out the description of the video. You will find there all the links to these apps, and I will see you guys on the next one.